Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie, and today's topic is going to be about the Too Faced Life is a Festival Peace, Love, and Unicorns collection. Now, as you guys all know, this is their very latest collection that they have released, and we are going to dissect everything from the palettes, from the lipsticks, and all of that good stuff. So, starting with the palette, this is what the packaging looks like. It is a very light, and it has, the front is more of like a cushion type of feel, and this is $42. I really can't deny that the packaging is like so cute, and it also comes along with a mirror right over here that is shaped like a cloud. Now, I will show you guys a quick swatch so you guys could see what it looks like on my skin, and that is the highlighter. And these are all your eyeshadows. So I just did like one swatch, and my hand does not have any base, and I cannot really hide the fact that these eyeshadows are so powdery. So when I first saw this on Instagram, I was like, oh my goodness, like I'm gonna buy it. I was like, this is life. But I waited for my coworker to buy it first and test it out, and she said like she didn't like it. So I think I'm gonna pass on this one. So moving on to the lipstick. So you have 4 different shades right over here. They are $22 each, and each lipstick actually has a partner of a lip gloss. So first I'm gonna show you guys these swatches. They are very pretty, nice and creamy. Really gives you that really nice holographic look. Super cute. Moving on to the lip glosses, they are $19 each. This is what it looks like. So in short, these are like the lip gloss version of the lipsticks that they have. And let me just show you the applicator. That's what it looks like. And then look at the whole packaging, like it's super cute. I'm gonna be putting the lip gloss beside the corresponding lipstick, alright? Now let's move on to the bronzer. They only have one bronzer, so I think this is more of like a universal bronzer. And it's $30, and it has this unicorn design, which is like a highlighter, and then the rest is more of like a bronzy color. Now the packaging to me is a little cheap in my opinion. Like it feels flimsy, okay? So at first I thought this is going to be like a super full impact glitter, but I actually love how it looks on the skin. It's not glittery, it gives you a really nice satin finish, so it's something that I would consider. Now moving on to the highlight. This is what the box packaging looks like. Super cute. Again, like everything is super cute, okay? Like there is nothing here in this collection that is not cute. So this is also $30. So as you guys could see, the highlighter has a lot of colors. I think that if you use a tiny brush, you can definitely, pick a certain color of the highlighter and put it on the highest panes of your face. But this is what it looks like when you swirl them all together. I am actually a fan of this highlighter. I love how it looks. I know I have mentioned this in the past that I don't like glittery highlighters, but this one, I love it. I love how it looks. Of course, we are going to talk about the facial spray. So this is $26, and it actually has this 2 silver balls inside. I think the purpose of that is like a nail polish. Like when you shake the nail polish, it kind of like combines the liquid together as well as the shimmer. So I sprayed it a little bit in my arm, and let's wait for it to dry. You know what, you can't really see it in here, so I'm gonna go somewhere where there is light, and that's what it looks like. You guys could see just a little bit of the glimmer. To me, this looks like a strobing cream when it's dry. I think I oversprayed myself. Also, please do not mind the too much glitter in the back of my arm. I think that's from the lip glosses, but this is what it actually looks like. I kind of want to try it under a foundation. I want to see if it's gonna give me that really nice dewy look. So the only thing that I can't show you guys today is the 2 unicorn horn highlighting sticks. So they have 2 kinds. And I really do apologize, and as the reason why I can't show you guys that is because the store does not have it yet. So And also they have a brush right over here there, as you can see on the right. And the reason why I'm not digging it is because I feel like I can get that anywhere else. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you love videos like this wherein we're like window shopping online, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys on my next video. Oh, and by the way, before I go, I really want to know your thoughts. Are you interested with this collection? Are you planning to buy it? Why and why not? I love hearing your thoughts on the comment section down below, and I'll talk to you guys there.